How you doing, guys? Yeah, Mayor Byron Brown from the city of Buffalo and County Executive Mark Poloncarz.
Hey there. Appreciate it very much.
Where you guys from?
Thank you very much for being
Buffalo?
here.
Green?
Gorilla. Get to clean out your house.
Gorilla?
Rochester.
Rochester.
Thank you very much.
Buffalo.
Thanks for all you do. Appreciate it, guys.
Oh, thank you.
First time I've ever toasted with coffee. Here's to the National Guard. Cheers. Yeah, here, guys. And a good one for the holidays that's coming up. Hello, sir. How are you? Thank you. Mayor Cuomo.
Yes, sir.
This is County Executive Mark Poloncarz.
Thank you very much.
Erie County Executive. Thank you for being here. Thanks for taking the ride.
We got our butts kicked against California last night, though.
All right.
Come back.
Well, I'm glad you're here.
Thank
I'm
you.
glad we're digging out so we can get some staff in here.
Yeah.
It's been a long week for it. It's been a long week for both of us, so we need to.
turnover on staff?
There's a lot of good people. Get Press with that. Everyone's walking. We'll have to walk. We're not gonna be able to all be in here. So Press will go back on the road. Whatever she does, we'll come out.
Looking good.
We're gonna stand here. Press, you might go out on the road.
Like a new kid coming outside.
You gotta go out towards the road.
All right.
Yeah, I think I'm good here.
I'm from Buffalo.
Horseheads, all right. We're doing fine as long as our roof stays up and everything else. Yeah, no, you're going to be good.
Nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
You
You're
guys
doing
are
a great
awesome.
job.
Yeah, we're doing a
Wonderful
wonderful job.
Thank you
We
very much.
appreciate it.
Thanks.